most states allow you to pay your taxes online. So I'm going to show you how you pay your Michigan taxes. So we're going to go to Michigan e-payment, and you have your pay your Michigan individual taxes, make a e-payment, and just make sure that when you're, say, if you're paying your 2024 tax return, you select that, or if you're paying your estimates, select that. So once you put this information in here, you put your banking, you can actually pay by direct withdrawal from your bank, or you can pay by credit card. Now, if you do pay by credit card, there is a fee. And most states offer this. So like California will have their own system where you can pay as well. So most states have this type of system, and it is an easier way to pay. And most times, if you make a payment on that day, it is credited on that day. So if you rather not pay by check, look to pay your taxes online.